Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set based on tables and Venn diagram. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us, and our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So we have been given a table which tells us about the number of employees in the organization who were sent for various training programs classified on basis of the experience. So we have been given the experience in years, that is less than 3 years, 3 to 5 years, and more than 5 years. Then we have been given that how many employees were went for SAP training and how many employees went for BAN training. Okay. Also we have been given the total number of employees. Further, the employees are categorized as staff and line, and the total number of employees are given to us as staff employees plus line employees. Okay. So now let us move towards solving our questions. So the first question says that what percentage of the total number of employees in the organization was sent for SAP training. So it is asking about what is the total number of employees who went for SAP training. So first what we have to find out is what were the total number of employees. Okay. So total employees is going to be the sum of 150 plus the 170, 252, 375 and 98. Okay. So when you add them all, you get 1045. Okay. Further, it has been asked that who was sent for SAP training. So we are going to count the employees who have went for SAP training. Also, we see in this also we will include both the staff and the line, and for all the experience, because nothing has been given to us that in this particular sort of employee or a particular experience, nothing has been given to us. So we will consider each and everything given in the SAP table. So it is 120 plus 151 plus 145, 173, 47 and 20. When you add all of these, you are going to get 656. Okay, is equal to, these are for SAP. Now we have to find the total, the percentage value. So percentage value is going to be given by 656 by 1045, which is going to be equal to 63%. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is going to be option number D. Okay, now let's move ahead. The second question says that at least how many staff employees with an experience between 3 to 5 years. So first thing first, that we are going to talk about only about the employees who are in 3 to 5 years gap. Okay, in the that column, 3 to 5 years. Further, it is saying and underwent training in both the programs. Okay, so we are talking about staff employees, that is the total number of staff employees between this 3 to 5 range are going to be 252. Then we are talking about how many of them went to both of the SAP and the BAN training. So see, here there is a overlap, because there are some employees who went for only SAP, some only for BAN, and some went for both. So whenever there is a overlap, what we do is we are going to make a Venn diagram. So once you make a Venn diagram, so let's say this one is for SAP and this one is for BAN. Okay, so this is it. Now it has been given that 145 employees went for SAP. Okay, so SAP, I have told you that this will be including complete SAP. That means this part will also be included, the one which is overlapping in both of them. So what we can say is, let's say that the number of people who went for both of the training is going to be A. Then the people who went only for SAP are going to be 145 minus A. And similarly for BAN, it will be 170 minus A. That means who went only for BAN will be 170 minus A, because 170 plus A, sorry, not 170, this part plus this part is going to be 170. So if this is A, so this part will be 170 minus A. So this thing is clear. Also we know that the total sum of these two complete shaded area of all this is going to be 252, because that is the total number of staff in 3 to 5 years range. So what we can say is, we can make our equation like 145 minus A plus 170 minus A is equal to 252. Once you make this equation, this gets cancelled and you have 145 plus 170 minus A is equal to 252. If you solve this, you get the value of A as 63. And this was the question asked, that at least how many employees with the experience between 3 to 5 underwent both the training programs. Okay, so both, and we had taken both as equal to A. So what we can say is that the answer for question number 2 is going to be 63. Okay, so let's move ahead from this one. Let's come to the third question. Just a second. Okay. Now, at most, how many line employees with less than 3 years of experience underwent only BAN training? Now, in this case also, we are going to talk about the same thing. We are going to make a Venn diagram. So let's make a Venn diagram. So this is for SAP, this is for BAN, Okay. Also, it is talking about less than 3 years. So this time we are going to consider this one. The total number of line staff is going to be equal to line, because we are only going to talk about line. It has been said line employees is 170. Okay. So we are going to talk about them. Further, it has been said that underwent only band BAAN training. So see, the number of employees who went for SAP training. First, let's say both the training. Okay. So both the training is B. Then only SAP is going to be 151 minus B, using the same concept which we used in the last question. So 151 minus B, and similarly for BAAN it will be 115 minus B. Okay. Now again, using what we did in the last question, add all of them and make it equal to 170. So let's do that. So we know that 1B is going to be going to get cancelled, and ultimately we will be left with 151 plus 115 minus B is equal to 170, and from here we will get the value of B as 96. Now what we know is that a total of 96 employees went for both the trainings. Okay. Whereas the number of employees who went for BAAN are 150. And we have been asked that who underwent only BAAN training. So if the number of employees who went total, that is for completely for BAAN, are 115, and out of those 96 attended one more training program. So that means the remaining ones, that is 115 minus 96, that is equal to 19. These 19 are going to be there who underwent only for BAAN training. So I hope you have understood this at well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.